Judge Phillip Loubser from the High Court in the Free State has ruled that a trial within a trial can go ahead in the Free State asbestos matter. Accused number 17, Moroadi Cholota, had asked to challenge the court's jurisdiction to try her, arguing that her extradition from the US was unlawful. SABC News reporter Makhala Masiteng is watching developments and joins us now live from inside court. And Makhala, this is quite a significant moment in this case, likely to delay even further the start of the main trial.
Indeed, Ayanda, and we will see, of course, how long that will take. The court has adjourned now for about 30 minutes or so, but Judge Loubser will, of course, come back. But we are expecting, of course, for him to just do the House ruling in terms of just checking, of course, and also postponing that matter to give them time. Of course, if there's going to be a trial within a trial, this means that the state, as well as on the side of Moroadi Cholota, of course, they will have to bring on witnesses who will be talking to how that process went in terms of extraditing Moroadi Cholota from the US, as that is the bone of contention here, where Moroadi Cholota want that to be tested, whether this court has jurisdiction to try her, of course, based on the fact that they are claiming that her extradition was unlawful. So we will see and hear how long the postponement will be, of course, in terms of ensuring that then we begin with a trial within a trial to give both the state and Cholota, of course, to arrange all those witnesses who they will call in terms of proving, of course, how that process of extradition Ayanda went through, because Cholota is believing, or rather they're emphasizing the fact that that extradition was unlawful, of course, noting some of the things that the state had lied when they were saying that she is a fugitive, she's running away from the officials, refusing to come back to South Africa, also stating that she is a flight risk. In fact, at some point, her lawyer did indicate that she even had to abandon her bail in the US because of the things that the state had stated, providing that information, of course, to the US authorities, to an extent that Moroadi Cholota decided to not proceed with the trial. And of course, that led to her spending plus minus 4 months in prison. But of course, we'll hear how long that postponement will be, of course, to give both the state and the defense to prepare themselves for that trial within a trial.
All right, Makhala Masiteng, before the judge returns, let me thank you for that update. Of course, we'll keep watching the story as it continues to unfold. Makhala Masiteng, live to us from inside the High Court in Bloemfontein.